Good morning. Today is the day, it's the 4th of July. It's a little bit overcast, but we got our hopes high. So I wanna show you around our process a little bit. This year's the first year we're doing things like this. Just wanna walk y'all through the process, keep you updated, and see how everything rolls. So the setup, we're doing it in our barn, a little bit of a risk of rain. So we got all our cakes here. We're pulling all our boxes of mortars out. We've already predetermined what mortars are gonna go in each rack. So we're just gonna put them in. And then we have pre-made wiring harnesses that I'll show you in a bit here. So here's our sheets. We've organized out our racks, what kind of mortars going in it, and then obviously what duration and fuse color as well.
In every one.
So while they're setting up the mortars, I'm going to be confirming that all of our firing modules are up to date firmware wise, have the show already downloaded and everything works out. To show you our system here, we got this Harbor Freight case, get the foam out. We have all 6 of their 36 channel modules, which I think is the max you can have, and we 3D printed these boxes that match the color coding that the Ignite system uses, which just makes things visually awesome. And then we've got this iPad, you can see right there, we got some shows. So we're gonna load up the show and I'm gonna do a little test, and these little circles will light up every time that a cue hits, and I can use that to verify all our cues are properly firing, all our connectivity is good, batteries are charged, all that good stuff.
Got going on here is mortar racks, 2-inch artillery shells, and we decided to group them in groups of 6, and each 6 is a channel on the electronic igniter. And in order to fuse them together, we've created these fuse tubes, which is a piece of timed fuse with a shrink wrap tubing and a piece of paper straw, and it allows us to push the fuse down into the straw next to the fuse that's going to be lit, and that makes sure that we carry fire into each fuse.
So we've got all our mortar racks fused up. They have stickers which allocate them to those color-coded boxes like I showed you earlier. So now we're loading up our pallet of fireworks, get out to the dam where we're gonna start our setup. So, welcome to disaster avoidance, I guess. We're getting hit with a little bit of a rain shower. We just brought the fireworks out to the dam, as you just saw, and we knew this was probably gonna happen, so we just, set up a tent and we're putting them under there, and the rain caught us a little quicker than we expected, so we got everything fully tarped and we're just hanging out in vehicles. It looks like we got a small cell that will move by quickly, and then we'll be able to get back to the fireworks setup. Alright, so I want to show you guys our firefighting solution. We've just simply got a util pump, and it's just ratchet strapped down to a board that's staked so it can't slide into the pond, but it's got a little hose running in with a filter, and then we have 300 feet of hose that goes down and back. So this will be running the entire time and just recirculating back into the pond. I'm making quick grounds here, we're almost done. We've been having rain threats obviously all day, so skies are looking better now, but we've been keeping stuff covered. Here's kind of our final little working area. They're now actually wiring one module at once, so 6 modules, so 6 tarps. Each tarp has 3 boards and 3 mortar racks. So here's a closer look at what that looks like. Our show is kind of built into 3 stages, so we'll have a board for each stage and a mortar rack for each stage, and then at the end of the day everything just wires up to our Ignite boxes, and we'll be able to run continuity tests beforehand, and everything should be a blast. All right, so we have completed everything. Things are wired. You see our wire running to our fuel mines. 6 tarps covering all 6 stations just to be safe. But we got pretty skies, pretty clear skies. So post-game interview, how we feeling?
So we just got done fusing the fireworks, literally. I think it went really good. Literally.
What do we? All right, well, we're filling up the fuel mines. The final steps come. Starting to get dark outside. I want to show you all the setup. This is what each of our 6 stations look like. Again, 3 boards, 3 mortar racks. All of it's running through this Ignite box. Walk you down the field here. We got the same thing going on. Color coded, as always. Should be a good show, should be a good time. So we'll see how it goes. So just like in the previous YouTube video, here's the fuel mines. This is our, what is this? A 6-inch? 8-inch. So how many gallons of gas is that? Nice. So prepping those, putting tinfoil on them, just for safety. Keep the aliens out. We got our generator and our water pump in case we need to become firefighters, but it's been raining a lot, grass is real wet. Burn index is very low, so I feel pretty confident. So we got a 6-inch and an 8-inch on this side, and vice versa on the other side. It'll start the show and end the show. We'll go enjoy some time, 4th of July, and then we'll get back here and set it all up.